Hey guys, AB here from B&H, and today we are taking a look at Sennheiser's XSW-D wireless digital system. Before I continue, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. The best way to think of the XSW-D is that it's an entry-level wireless system with the simplicity of a wired system. So, with a single button operation and automatic pairing, it really caters to those users who want a good sounding setup with a very gentle learning curve. This system conveniently operates in the 2.4 GHz spectrum, making it usable pretty much worldwide. And it's comprised of plug-on transmitters and receivers, both offering XLR, quarter-inch, and 1/8-inch mini jacks for connectivity. And for you guitarists out there, there's a pedalboard receiver that provides wireless playability and the ability to tune your instrument. System latency is only 3.9 milliseconds, and the XSW-D series is set up to deliver unity gain, which means that your guitar amp or pedalboard will see exactly the same signal as if the instrument had been plugged in via a cable. Also included in the XSW-D series is the highly popular ME2 Lavalier microphone. Yeah, this guy. Everything you hear right now is coming through this mic. So right off the bat, you know you're getting a good microphone that has been trusted for years by beginners and pros alike. XSW-D sets are pre-paired at the factory, so customers will simply turn them on and get to work. A receiver can only receive from one transmitter at a time. However, any receiver can be paired with as many as 4 transmitters, so as long as you pair them all at some point, they will be instantly recognized as devices that the receiver will look for in the future. When you want to switch transmitters out, simply power one down and power up any of the others you've already paired, and the receiver will automatically see it. On an interesting side note, you can use up to 5 totally separate systems at the same time. So if you're in a band and everyone wants to use a wireless setup, for example, up to 5 independent XSW-D systems can be used within the same ecosystem, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Sennheiser has also conveniently bundled several sets that include gear and accessories that are tailored to specific applications. One example is the XSW-D Portable ENG set, which includes a transmitter, receiver, an ME2 mic, plus accessories such as a belt clip and cold shoe mount. There's also the XSW-D vocal set, which includes Sennheiser's cardioid dynamic mic, an XLR female plug-on transmitter, an XLR male plug-on receiver, and a mic clip. Other kits that cater to instrumentalists include the XSW-D pedalboard set or the instrument bass set. Before we wrap up, here are a handful of other features and specs that may interest you. The XSW-D series has an automatic interference management system to keep signals clean and uninterrupted, a line-of-sight transmission range of 250 feet, foldable, lightweight plugs for easy storage and transport, 5 hours of total battery life with a battery that can also be charged during use. By the way, a 1-hour charge will give you 50% battery life. And finally, there are line-level outputs on all receivers. Overall, this is a series that's well suited for customers with a variety of wireless backgrounds, from musicians in live music situations, to freelance video shooters, to news and ENG specialists. To find out more about this system and the available configurations, check out bhphoto.com. This is AB, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.